everybody, I'm starting my day off with a nice yummy smoothie and the kids have all got some porridge and fruit. So they're just eating it now. Yummy porridge?
Yeah!
They've got some bananas and strawberries on it.
I've been eating one.
You've eaten it all already? Have you eaten it all?
No.
No. Oh, that's nice. Thanks, buddy. How was your porridge?
Nice but hot.
Yeah, it's hot. It's a very nice day today.
And look.
What shall we go do?
Go swimming. Go swimming.
Go swimming.
Yeah. To that lake thing.
Burn rigs again.
Yeah. No.
What does Amelia want to do then?
No.
If you don't want to go to Burton Riggs.
Who wants to go swimming? Me. No.
What do you want to do?
I want to go swimming, but not in the lake.
Where do you want to go swimming?
Swimming pool.
I can't take you to a swimming pool.
Because it's closed. No, we open.
There's either the lake or the beach.
Would that be too busy?
Well, not if we drive through to Filey.
No. I want to go to Burton Riggs.
It looks like we have a dilemma of where to go. So hopefully they can figure it out between themselves and then we can go wherever they decide. So we've just got dressed and got our rubber rings because we decided to go to the beach.
I'm using Elliot's because I still can't swim.
It's okay. Yeah, we've got some rubber rings and some armbands so they can all play in the beach. I were going to, 1 minute buddy, I were going to buy a rubber dinghy, a boat, so that they could go in the boat, but unfortunately Argos don't have any in stock and I'm not sure where in Scarborough I can go buy them because I'm not going anywhere near, like, you know, your typical seaside shops. So we're off to go to the beach and hopefully have a nice afternoon.
Mum,
Yeah?
remember that kitty game where I did lots of stuff on it? Do you remember that little bunny game and that doggy game and that kitty game?
Yeah.
I want it. I want it on your old phone.
Alright, buddy.
I actually want
You all ready to go on the beach? Yeah? Yeah, we've got to Filey. The beach is really busy down there, but we're going over there.
to do this.
I know, I've got to blow up this big thing. That's not going to be fun, is it?
No, but it's for me because I can swim.
No, but I can start blowing it up as we're walking down.
Yeah.
Yeah?
I'll hold the camera.
Hold it steady.
We're just gonna walk down this hill onto the beach, then we'll go into a spot here, but on the beach. Mum's just blowing it up. Isaac's with his, then Elliot's just messing with a flower. But he's going to get his armbands blown up. There's Amelia. She's got a blanket. So we're just going to walk down when everyone's here. Okay, Elliot, come on. So we're just going to walk down this hill. Elliot, do some running. Go, go, go. Look how fast he can go. They're fast runners. I'm wearing flip-flops and they're wearing sandals to the beach. You see loads of flowers on here. Look at all these pretty flowers. So beautiful. Make sure you hold on to this when you go down because it is slippy because it's sand. And there's the little bridge where you can go on. It's a bit steep and you have to go down this bit because it's sandy and it's slippery. Look, the rocks are showing you down there. It's very slippery, so be careful when you're going on here. Step on this rock and on here. There we go.
I found a jellyfish.
Don't touch it.
No.
Some of them
I don't have a bucket.
poisonous.
It's very see-through. Don't touch it. How can you tell if a jellyfish is dead or alive?
Why is it so big?
Oh, jellyfish.
So big. We saw little ones by the sea.
Did you?
Yeah.
Should have got
It's in good condition. It looks like something's splurged down.
Yeah. Oh,
Go.
poor jellyfish. Got swept up. You'll have to hold them, buddy, while I blow this up, okay? We're going on the rubber ring. Go on, Alana. Go on. It's so cold, my feet are freezing. You need to go further out, Alana. You need to go to them big waves over there. Are you sitting in your ring? You sitting in your ring? No, don't splash me, darling. Let's go to the girls. I don't want to get too wet. I've got my trousers up a little bit, but I don't want to get all wet. It's still quite shallow here though. Go on, Alana! Are you going to sit on your rubber ring? No? Why not? Are you going to go in the water, bud? The waves are coming, Elliot. Look at Elliot's abs. He's got a six-pack, that lad. Whee! He's having fun. The waves are coming, buddy. Amelia's just relaxing in the boat over there. Are you splashing me? You splashing me? You splashing me? I'll splash you back. I'll splash you back. Pest. Such a nice day down the beach today.
Yeah.
It's very hot and sunny. I wish I put like a summery dress or top on or something.
Mum.
It's very hot.
Mum.
That's good.
I should get my jacket and my sunglasses on, couldn't I?
Well, you don't need a jacket with this hot weather.
Yeah.
You could have wore your sunglasses though. The kids have just had a little picnic and now they're running back to the sea. I've told Isaac to build a big hole, but he don't want to. So I think they're all just running back to the sea.
I don't want that to get lost.
No, it won't get lost. We'll keep it safe, won't we?
Because Elliot here, his got lost, didn't it?
Did it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And mine is not.
I'm going to sit here and chill for a little bit because my mum and John were here, my mum and her partner were here, but they've gone back up because my mum pulled a muscle, so I don't want to leave all the stuff. So they're just playing while I sit here and watch them. Right over there. There they are.
Mum, I'm going to hold the camera. and everybody's over there. That's on rubber bins, and me and Mummy are sat eating food.
Sat eating some cherries, aren't we?
Yeah, and some crisps.
You've got some crispies.
Yeah.
Hold
And-
it still, buddy.
And then we, 1 minute, I need to do that. And we're going to go to home, and we're going to play Roblox in Mummy. And then we're going to play Donald Trump.
Donald Trumps, you mean top trumps?
What's that?
I don't know. Oh, it's to take the thing off, don't press it.
Why? What?
It takes this off.
Then you need to touch it, then you press it.
Yeah, don't touch it.
I'm gonna do this. Whoa, 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 whoa. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Ow.
Don't fall over with that camera.
Ow.
What did you do? You fell over with the camera, didn't you? Are you okay?
Oh,
You silly sausage.
hurt my bum.
You hurt your bum bum. Oh,
Go
poor
wash my
Isaac.
hands again.
Go on then, go and get yourself washed. Monkey chops. The monkey chops, it was spinning, spinning and spinning, and I said, you just be careful in case you drop that camera. And what did he do? What did you do? We dropped the camera. It's fine, it only got a little bit of sand in it, but I do need to get another lens for my camera because there's lots of sand in the zoom thing and you can hear it. You can hear it every time I zoom in and out, so I need to get a new one because it doesn't sound very good. And this camera is like 2-3 years old now. What's wrong, bud? Are you resting? You had a busy day? Yeah? You're not talking to me. I can see you smiling. I can see you smiling. Cheeky monkey. What's wrong? What's wrong? Your back hurting?
Oh,
What's the matter? Your armpit? It's because you've got sand under it.
because I've been on a phone too much.
Alright. We are all home now. That was a bit of a nightmare. I left my camera at my mum's, so I had to drive back down and go and get it. Luckily we were only at the first roundabout you come to when you leave Thailand. But the kids are just playing on the trampoline. Yeah. Do you want to go film it? Yeah. And show them what you've done?
And my legs.
Oh, Alana. Outside with that.
Alright, look what we've done on trampoline. Guys, this is so fun. Yeah, even if you grab. We've made soap and water on our trampoline. Slip and slide. What? I know. Whoa. But like, it's really slippy. You can ice skate on it. Yeah, and even see. Oh my. Oh my god, I almost fell. But yeah, we did that and we keep falling because it's like really slippy. I'm going to take the camera inside now and we're going to play on that.
So it's a little bit later on, the kids have all just gone up to bed. If you're wondering why I've all of a sudden put makeup on, it's because I'm doing a YouTube video I have started uploading on my gaming channel again every single night. I will be doing new gameplays, and I would really appreciate it if any of my subscribers from this channel can go over there and give me a subscribe, give me a like, and hopefully you like my videos. I'm doing lots of gameplays of a whole bunch of different games, so if you enjoy watching gaming videos, please head on over to my channel. The link to my channel is in the description box below. And I'm going to end this video here. It's just a short but sweet little vlog today, guys. I hope you all enjoyed it. If you did, give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and we'll see you real soon. Bye!